welcome to my home. I've been anxious for your arrival.
Hello. Hi, guys.
Hi, Eleanor. Hi, Timothy. I wish I could hug you guys, but, 6 feet.
Yeah.
Hey, Eleanor. Hey, Timothy. Look at this. I call him Drake. Oh, here's my voice. Ready? Hi, Timothy. I gotta keep working on it, but maybe we can play with this later, okay, Timmy?
That is a fine-looking puppet. What do you say, Timothy?
Thank you.
As for the hug, Linda, I don't do that anymore. What would you like to do today? The world is our oyster. Maybe I could just hang out with Timothy and play some games.
Hey, Linda, maybe you want to use Drake?
Okay. That'll be fun.
Maybe we could drive around town.
Yeah, that sounds great, a drive. I'll go with you, Paul and Eleanor.
I look forward to playing puppets with you, Aunt Linda. But first, I have to use the restroom.
I will take you to all of my favorite places in Bodega Bay.
So, Eleanor, is this the place for lunch?
Yes.
And then, remember, Paul wanted to get some saltwater taffy afterwards. Is that okay?
Yes.
So, is this the place for taffy?
Yes.
Eleanor, thanks for showing us around. Is this the movie you want to watch?
Yeah, I think this is the Birds.
Is this Bodega Bay?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, isn't that where I was just walking today? Spooky. Oh, Eleanor, I'm gonna get nightmares.
Crows, gulls attacking me. Oh, Eleanor, I was having the creepiest dream. Nightmare, really. Oh, thankfully, this nightmare is over. Oh.
Demon! Blind demon! Oh, Eleanor! Oh, I had the worst nightmare. I had a tie and a mustache. Oh,
It's time for breakfast.
what did you make?
Quail.
Quail!
What would you like to do? The world is our oyster. Oyster. Oyster! It's our oyster.
Oh, I need to wake up from this nightmare. If only a bell were ringing. Oh.